I'd like to talk about business process management, and just like Linda said, it's very important that most of our work at the BPM Institute is conducted by practitioners such as myself, for practitioners of BPM. I've been involved in BPM since 1991. In terms of what is business process management, well, I'm proud of the fact that the BPM Institute adopted my definition of BPM way back from 2003, where I wrote that BPM is not just the definition of processes, not just improvement projects, not just the management of processes, but it's all three. And if you do all three, definition, improvement, and management of a company's end-to-end business processes, you, as an organization, can achieve three very important outcomes. You can have greater clarity on strategic direction, better alignment of the company's resources, and greater discipline in daily operations. Of course, the model that's well known in the community that the BPM Institute has supported is this model of define, model, analyze, design, and manage. And of course, that's very important at a tactical process improvement level. But there are other models and other approaches that are endemic to BPM that are important to know as well. In fact, some organizations, like the American Productivity Quality Center, has had process reference frameworks for 25 years that has helped organizations to create a focused strategy using business process management concepts and a business process architecture. And also other organizations like the Value Chain Group and the Supply Chain Council have introduced models that help people do that. But perhaps the most important contribution of BPM is that it helps people to shift a vertical organization-based view to a customer-focused horizontal view of performance where work flows across the organization and creates value for both customers and companies. And of course, the power of BPM in linking to frameworks such as balanced scorecard through process measurement is well known, as well as the typical project focus of process improvement. The challenges that companies can use BPM to address are very tactical, and they're all related to the fact that most organizations are interested in increased revenues and greater profits. So they want very practical things where BPM can help. It can help companies introduce new products faster and better and deliver products or services on time, error-free, compress the cycle time to improve recruiting quality, and improve the accuracy and timeliness of financial reporting, and just a few of the really important performance-oriented things that BPM can help companies address. The skills that people look to us for, and we have done a very thorough job over the past decade in building these critical practice areas that provide people with the skills they're looking for. They're looking for skills in process discovery, how to best model processes, how to launch process improvement projects where analysis and design is so critical, how to measure performance through focusing on the timeliness and quality aspects of process performance, and getting to know more about the technologies that are evolving more and more every day. And really, it's one of those things, BPM technologies, or BPMS for Business Process Management Suites, is one of the things that differentiates BPM from other methods such as Six Sigma or Lean Six Sigma. And last but not least, we have invested a lot of energy in helping people really apply BPM at the enterprise level. So those are some of the skills that are very important. And practitioners can also hone their skills on the software side, on systems thinking, on facilitation skills, customer experience management, as well as we have courses on change management, governance, and establishing centers of excellence. We have a number of learning paths, and I invite you to visit the bpminstitute.org website and learn about our learning paths, and you can see the range of skills that we offer and that you can develop. The business case for business process management really boils down to value creation, creating value for customers and the company, getting better alignment across departments and thereby breaking down silos that often exist, improving operational performance and improving process measurement through being tied closely to the balanced scorecard. So those are the things that we focus on, and we invite you to explore our offerings. We are practitioners who offer skill development for practitioners, and I thank you for listening to me.